Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived to a rousing welcome as well at the hotel in Jordan, and the Prime Minister was accorded a warm welcome upon his arrival at the hotel in Amman. The Indian diaspora there welcomed the Prime Minister. Jordan is home to a vibrant Indian community. The vibrant cultural diversity was also on display in Amman. The Prime Minister witnessed a special cultural performance. Members of the Indian community also were there to greet the Prime Minister. Let's go across and listen to Prime Minister as he's making his opening comment.
Because our countries will mark 75 years of diplomatic relations. And I believe that this visit reflects decades of friendship, mutual respect and productive cooperation between our two nations. Our nations enjoy a strong partnership and a shared desire to advance prosperity for our peoples. And over the years, our collaboration has expanded across multiple sectors. Your visit today provides an important opportunity to chart new paths of economic cooperation across industry, ICT, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, energy, and many more promising fields of mutual benefits for our people. And so these, I think, we could discuss more in depth during dinner. We warmly welcome the signing of the agreements and MOUs during your visit, as they will further advance our cooperation and open new avenues for collaboration. We also look forward to the Jordan-India Business Forum taking place tomorrow as an opportunity to discuss business-to-business partnerships and the potential for joint investments in vital sectors. And I believe that this forum comes at a meaningful moment, offering a platform to expand trade, encourage investment, and build stronger connections between our two nations. Your Excellency, once again, I welcome you to Jordan. I look forward to a productive discussion, and I'm sure this will pave a way for a brighter relationship between our two nations and shared progress. Wonderful to have you back here in Jordan, sir.
Your Majesty, मेरे और मेरे डेलीगेशन के गर्मजोशी भरे स्वागत के लिए मैं 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों की तरफ से आपका हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। आपने भारत और जॉर्डन के संबंधों को नए पायदान पर ले जाने के लिए बहुत ही सकारात्मक विचार रखे। मैं आपकी मित्रता और भारत के प्रति आपकी गहरी प्रतिबद्धता के लिए हृदय से आपका धन्यवाद करता हूं। इस वर्ष हम अपने राजनयिक संबंधों की 75वीं एनिवर्सरी मना रहे हैं। यह मील का पत्थर हमें आने वाले कई वर्षों तक नई ऊर्जा के साथ आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करता रहेगा। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आज की बैठक से हमारे संबंधों में गति और गहराई एक नया रूप धारण करेगी। हम ट्रेड, फर्टिलाइजर्स, डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी, इंफ्रा और पीपल टू पीपल टाइज जैसे क्षेत्रों में सहयोग आगे बढ़ाएंगे। योर मैजेस्टी, वैश्विक स्तर पर भी हम करीबी संपर्क में रहे हैं। गाजा पर शुरुआत से ही आपकी बहुत सक्रिय और सकारात्मक भूमिका रही है। हम सभी की आशा है कि इस क्षेत्र में शांति और स्थिरता बनी रहे। आतंकवाद के विरुद्ध हमारा साझा और स्पष्ट रुख है। आपके नेतृत्व में जॉर्डन ने आतंकवाद, उग्रवाद और रेडिकलाइजेशन के खिलाफ पूरी मानवता को एक सशक्त और रणनीतिक संदेश दिए हैं। रिस्ट्रिक्टेड बैठक के दौरान हमने इस महत्वपूर्ण क्षेत्र में सहयोग को और मजबूती देने पर चर्चा की। 2018 में आपकी भारत यात्रा के समय हमने इस्लामिक हेरिटेज पर एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में भाग लिया था। मुझे याद है कि हमारी पहली मुलाकात भी 2015 में यूएन के साइडलाइन पर वायलेंट एक्सट्रीमिज्म को काउंटर करने पर केंद्रित एक इवेंट पर हुई थी। आपने तब भी इस विषय पर इंस्पिरेशनल रिमार्क दिए थे। मॉडरेशन को बढ़ावा देने के लिए आपके प्रयास क्षेत्रीय ही नहीं बल्कि वैश्विक शांति के लिए भी अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है। हम इस दिशा में मिलकर ठोस रूप से आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे। हम आपसी सहयोग के अन्य सभी आयामों को और सशक्त बनाएंगे। एक बार फिर आपके आतिथ्य सत्कार के लिए मैं आपका और जॉर्डन के लोगों का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
All Jordanians, we welcome you back to Jordan. Your presence here carries deep significance, as you mentioned earlier on, because our countries will mark 75 years of diplomatic relations. And I believe that this visit reflects decades of friendship, mutual respect, and productive cooperation between our two nations. Our nations enjoy a strong partnership and a shared desire to advance prosperity for our peoples. And over the years, our collaboration has expanded across multiple sectors. Your visit today provides an important opportunity to chart new paths of economic cooperation across industry, ICT, pharmaceuticals, agriculture.
Well, those were the opening statements being made by the two principals, the King of Jordan, King Abdullah II, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the delegation level talks that were taking place in Amman a short while ago. And in fact, the Prime Minister had thanked Jordan for the rousing welcome that he received, and he and his delegation, and the very positive agenda that has been set for the talks. He talked about the 75 years of diplomatic ties and how new energy has come to the ties, and this is going to lead to greater closeness and also speed in engagement in fields like trade, energy, infrastructure, people-to-people ties. He also said that Jordan has sent out a very strong message to the world regarding de-radicalization and has helped in cooperation in counter-terrorism. And the Prime Minister also was talking about various associations that he has had with the Jordanian king in the past, especially at earlier meetings where they had met on Islamic Heritage Conference and on the sidelines of that.